Hello, welcome once again to this channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet tester. It is beginner friendly. It is easy to crochet in just few minutes. It can be used as a charm on bags and on clothes. It can be used as a key holder. I'm going to use cotton yarn. It is 4-ply, color green, a hook 0.5 mm, tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. We start with a magic ring. For magic ring, we use 2 fingers, the middle finger and the index finger. We tie the yarn onto these 2 fingers and make an X like this. Hook down and pull this working yarn like this. Remove these 2 fingers slowly. And chain 1 to tighten the ring, the magic ring. We are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And this chain 3 is going to work as our first double crochet. We are going to make 14 more double crochet inside the ring. For double crochet, you yarn over. You have 2 loops on the hook. Inside the ring, you pull the working yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. You pull through the first 2 loops, remain with the 2 loops, then you pull through the 2 loops. That is double crochet. We are going to continue until we have 15 double crochets inside our magic ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15. We are going to pull this thread across the ring. And we are going to slip stitch on this chain, on the top of chain 3 space to cross. To cross our magic circle. We are going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to count 2 stitches from the hook. On the 3rd stitch, we are going to make single crochet. Inside the chain, you pull the working yarn, you have 2 loops, you pull through, that is single crochet. Next, you have double crochet, you yarn over. Inside the chain, you pull the working yarn, you have 3 loops on the hook, you pull through, that is a half double crochet. Next, double crochet. Next, a treble crochet, to yarn over 2 times, 1, 2. Inside the chain, you pull the working yarn, you have 4 loops on the hook, you pull through the first 2 loops, again the next 2 loops, and you pull through the 2 loops, that is treble crochet. We are going to count 2 stitches, 1, 2. In the 3rd stitch, we are going to slip stitch. That is our first. This is our first cluster of the star. We are going to repeat again 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 3rd chain, we are going to make single crochet. Next, a half double crochet. Next, double crochet. Next, a treble crochet. and then slip stitch on the third stitch. You count to 1, 2, then the third stitch we slip stitch. This is the next. We continue until we have 5 clusters. 1, we are going to slip stitch here, and chain 1. I'm going to cut off there and pull through. We are done with crocheting. That's done. Next we are going to weave in these ends using this tapestry needle. This is how our star looks like. Thank you for watching.